Hi there! So Xiaomi has been introducing many new products this year, and one of them is the Mi Beard Trimmer. This is currently selling on mi.com and amazon.in for 1199 rupees. In this video, we're going to unbox it, see the contents, see its features and see whether you should buy this or not. So continue watching this video. This is your friend Singh. Let's get started. So before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any notifications when new videos are uploaded. Let's begin with the unboxing. So here is the Mi Beard Trimmer, and the first thing on the top we see is the IPX7 washable body, which means the whole trimmer is now waterproof. And below you see 40 length settings, 90 minutes cordless use, self-sharpening blades, which means the blades keep touching each other and sharpen them by themselves. On the back we see the manufacturing details. The official price MRP is $14.99, but it's available for $11.99. Alright, let's unbox this. So inside the box you have a travel case or a cover, you can say, which has the Mi branding on it. It's a soft cloth in which you can keep your Mi trimmer. You have the USB cable to charge the trimmer. There is a small brush which is to clean the trimmer blades, the stainless steel blades. There are two combs, one is for 0.5 mm to 10 mm and one is for 10 mm to 20 mm. And you have a user manual as well as the Mi Beard Trimmer. So let's have a physical overview of the Mi Trimmer, and as you can see, the matte black absolutely stands out, looks stunning. It actually looks extremely premium. It looks wonderful. And on the top you can see there is a knob which is to set the length. Once you put the comb, you can set the length. It has a precision from 0.5 to 10, and here's the button to turn it on, and you can see 3 LED lights. It's turned on, press it, turns off, press it, turns on. So this is battery indicator for 3 LED lights, which shows how much battery is remaining. And it's a simplistic design. You turn this, you press this for turn and on. And if you press and hold this for 3 seconds, there you see lights blinking, which means it is now into travel mode. So if you're carrying this in your bag or something, and if you accidentally press this in the bag, it's not going to turn on, which is a great travel feature. There you see, it's just blinking but it's not turning on. To turn it off, you press and hold for 3 seconds. And there you go, you're ready to go. So that's a nice lock feature so that you don't accidentally press it. On the other side you have the Mi branding, and I'm just in love with the matte finish. It looks so beautiful. The finish and build is absolutely top notch. It's gorgeous. It says open. So let's have a closer look at the blade. Okay, stainless steel blade. The quality of the blade is beautiful. It's absolutely nice. So that's good. You can remove this, you can wash this under the tap if you want to clean it from underneath. In fact, once you remove this, you can even clean this under the tap, because now this is IPX7 water resistant, the whole body. And at the bottom is the charging port, which the cable is provided. Fixes perfectly. You can connect this to any 5 watt and above adapter and you're ready to go. And let's have a look at the combs. So there are these 2 combs provided in the box. The one on my right, this one is for 0.5 mm hair to 10 mm precision. This is for 10 to 20 mm. So if you want to keep a long beard, long hair but aligned, so this one is for you. If you want short, this one is for you. So they're great. Let's fix them and see. You see the grooves on the top? This is where they go in, and it fixes. And with this, they go up. So the more you go up, the longer the hair. The closer you go, the shorter the hair. And there you go. So when you're using this, please make sure you use it this way, not this way. That has been instructed in the book. Please do not try to trim it this way. It's always this way. It's from down to up. The Mi trimmer has an 800 mAh battery, which will take around 2 hours to fully charge. Once fully charged, will run for around 90 minutes. Now that should be more than enough for you for a couple of weeks, and of course depending upon your use. If the battery on the trimmer runs out, you can connect it with the cord provided in the box to any power source, and also you can connect it to any power bank, which is great because now that becomes portable. You can charge it on the go, super convenient. The Mi trimmer is IPX7 waterproof, which means now you can keep it under a running tap or submerge it under water, no problem at all, and it makes cleaning so much more easier and convenient. The Mi trimmer doesn't come with a stand, however it is designed in such a way that it stands perfectly well on the basin platform. So everything on the Mi trimmer looks great, but not before we compare it to its best competitor, the Philips men trimmers. So if you go to Amazon, you'll see that they start from 825 to around 1500 rupees, the most popular ones, and none of them are IPX7 water resistant. Yes, you can remove the blades, detach them, wash them underwater, but not the whole trimmer. Whereas the Mi trimmer, go crazy, put it under the tap, submerge it in a bucket of water and rinse it and clean it, no problem at all. Second thing, none of these Philips trimmers have a precision of 0.5. They have a 1 mm precision, where else the Mi trimmer is 0.5. And with two combs, you can cut from 0.5 to 20 mm. And in fact, the one which is for 825 rupees just has 3 settings: 1 mm, 5 mm and 7 mm. So it's great that Mi trimmer is giving you the option to choose from 0.5 mm to 20 mm, which is great. Also the build quality, the blades, the travel lock, all these features and make it so handy. So if you're looking to buy a trimmer for yourself, I can highly recommend this for you. You can buy this with your eyes blindfolded. It's absolutely wonderful. The product, the quality, everything is top notch. So coming to the price, it's priced at 1199 rupees, which I think is very well priced. So if you like to buy one, I'll leave the links in the description. Do check it out. So I hope this video was helpful. Write down in the comments if there are any questions regarding the Mi trimmer. Also, don't forget to like this video, share this video and subscribe to my channel for many more videos like these. Until next time, cheers.